Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can log out of Google Drive in mobile phone. So all you have to do now is don't open Drive yet. You can tap on settings. You can scroll down and search for the user and accounts. You can tap it, then choose your Google accounts, and this is the options when you can log out or you can unsynchronize your account with Google Drive in this phone, in your Android phone. Here you can uncheck, you can untick this box, the Drive box, and also you can uncheck calendar if you don't want to, contacts, Google Mail, Gmail, Google Calendar, keep notes, and task in calendar, Google Sheets also, and Google Docs. So this is how you can do it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.